podcast.
You say your name. Leave that for the bloopers. Anyway, you hear? Hold on, start over. Just start it over.
Later on, I'll cut it.
Okay.
What's the deal, everyone? It's Randall,
Jose here.
and we're Mod Effects. It's Saturday, and we just have an 80th anniversary edition Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. We just installed a Corsa exhaust system. One of the questions we get every day is, I have a car, it's factory exhaust. Should I straight pipe it? Should I get an axle back? Should I get a cap back? So we're gonna show you all what a Corsa exhaust system looks and sounds like while we have the car up in the air. Then we'll crank it up and let you hear how it sounds, and you can be the judge of, whether or not it's worth that investment. So we'll start off at the exhaust tips. On the Corsa system, it's stainless steel all the way back. And so you'll notice the Corsa by the square exhaust, but for the Dodge Challenger, they also have a part number with the round exhaust tips. So depending on what kind of diffuser, what kind of look you want, you can go with either exhaust tip.
They got them in black and chrome, right?
You can go black and chrome as well. The main difference between the Corsa and a factory exhaust is you have a muffler back here, and that's it. You don't have a muffler in the middle. A lot of people call it a mid muffler delete. You don't have a muffler in the middle, you have a muffler in the back, that's it. So this is what keeps your drone down, but it still allows you to have that aggressive note, and this is the Corsa Xtreme system that we have here. So
that's why it doesn't have a resonator.
Exactly, so you have the Xtreme and you have the Sport models. As you can see, all the hardware is stainless steel. You have your clamps all the way down. And then one thing to look out for is that on some exhaust systems, if you just straight pipe the whole car, you get a check engine light. On this system, you actually won't get a check engine light because it integrates the factory valve assembly and the valves right here. And so these valves are spring loaded and they actuate with your exhaust. And so it allows this part of the system to function as factory. And so your car's computer is going to be happy. You're not going to show a check engine light, but you'll still get that aggressive tone that you're looking for with the system.
Yeah, so just so you know, you want to keep your old OEM exhaust if you can, or at least this section right here. So when you get the Corsa, you can go ahead and cut it out and put that in here. That'll prevent a lot of headache.
And what did you cut this out with, Jose?
Just use a Sawzall with a metal cutting blade, that's all.
Gotcha.
Easy, simple.
So you can install it with hand tools in the driveway if you need to. Having a lift is a luxury, but it's a pretty simple installation. So as you can see, the hardware bolts up here. You have your little Corsa stamp here. In case someone wants to know what exhaust you have and happens to be up under the car, it'll show.
So it's definitely, and also, this is a cat back exhaust. So right after the headers and your cats, obviously the cats, it starts from here all the way to the end.
And so it's the same diameter if you look at it. It does use the factory cats. Some people do want to go catless, and there's other stuff you have to do in order to stop having to check engine light if you go catless, but we're gonna leave the cats on, see how the system sounds without the cats, and then we'll let him decide if he wants to add the mid-pipe deletes or the cat deletes or not.
So now let's go to the fun stuff, and let's go ahead and drop it down a little bit and turn this car on, see how it sounds. Man.
And we're back. We just got finished with this 80th anniversary Scat Pack Challenger.
Number 42, right?
Yep,
Yeah,
number 42?
42.
Yeah, we ended up doing a Corsa exhaust. We also did the lowering springs. You'll see that video next. And we're just gonna do a quick walk around, show you all what the car got done, and kind of go from there.
Hey, what about hearing it? Are we gonna hear it?
Oh yeah,
hear it. You wanna hear it? I wanna
too.
hear it again.
Yeah, we'll hear it too. Let's do it.
Hey, you mind stepping on it for us?
So real quick, he got the iBox Pro kit. and it lowers the car about 1.5 inches. And so you still have a little wheel gap, but it gives it more of an aggressive stance, and it's going to allow him to get a little bit tighter ride in the car and more of a sporty feel. And so here we have the front. You see we've decreased the wheel gap a bit, but all in all it looks real good. So both of these models will definitely get you some good results. And let us know if you have any questions. We definitely will be happy to answer. And the last thing that he's going to do after he drives it around for about a week or so, he'll go get it aligned, get it back in spec, and then he'll have no issues at all, and everything will be pretty much a stock-like ride with some increased performance. So yeah, so we're gonna hit the Corsa a little bit. Yeah, so probably hear it. I can feel it and hear it in my ears, but definitely louder than the factory exhaust.
And that's how you do it.
Yeah, so yeah. So if y'all have any questions, let us know. Definitely appreciate you watching. See y'all in the next one.